Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is the 30th of November 2025, and in this video we're going to do a market breakdown of what I'm expecting to happen in the markets for the upcoming week. Let's hope December starts fresh and we make some profits. I have pre-analyzed the market, so the video is a little bit shorter. So let's get straight into it and see what the market's got for us this week. The pairs that I have for this week are GBP/NZD, EURAUD, GBP CAD, AUD CAD, EURUSD, GBPUSD, and something which I really don't do quite often is I have a really nice opportunity for an XRP crypto trade, which you can also trade in most prop firms, of course, if they are like Forex ones, etc., like FTMO and other ones. I don't think on Top Step you can do that, but on FTMO you can. So yeah, that's about it. On GBP/NZD, I really think that this is a very nice opportunity. On the weekly, we created a very nice bearish hammer candle, which signalized that this very long run to the upside, at least for the upcoming, let's say, 1 or 2 weeks. I can clearly see these two levels that we can enter selling positions from. You can act accordingly, and maybe when we reach that level, let's say what I would expect. I would expect the market to retrace to this level, retest the zone, reject it, and continue moving down, and the trade would look something like this. Usually I go for like 50 pips of stop loss is good for GBP/NZD, and this is a probable trade that I'll be looking for. However, when we get to this zone, we have to expect rejections before we consider any trades possible. For that to happen, when the price move to the upside, we're gonna break this neckline, become bullish again, which we don't want on the lower time frame. We always enter the trade when it's 03 or 4 time frames in sync. So when we reach that level, we expect a small consolidation, break, retest, and that's where we enter on the chart. So if this doesn't work, let's say the market has led us to enter a position and unfortunately it gets us wicked out, we just move absolutely same trade. I'm going to wait for the same. I don't think that is possible in 1 week, but let's say this week we tried it out here, we get wicked out of the trade, then we wait for this situation right here. So this is for GBP/NZD. Euro, AUD, pretty clear also. Unfortunately, we are in a little bit of a consolidation phase. As you can see, we are moving quite sideways. But there is one thing that is clear here. I understand that it's a consolidation, but you can also see that it's a downward consolidation, if that makes sense. And from what I'm seeing here is that we dropped here, now we retested, wicked out, moved to the downside again. We got retest to this neckline right here, and we've got a very nice bearish hammer, which also supports the sell that I'm going to be looking for. It is in this zone right here. On the daily, it fits perfect. So what I will be looking for is upside momentum to here. That's on the daily candle. It would be great if we get a nice bullish daily candle, which is not too big, not too small, for us to retest the zone. And on the smaller time frames, from this exact level right here, I'm gonna put a line so you can see it even better. And when we get there, just a nice rejection on the 4-hour, big nice candle like this, small retest, and that's when we go to the smaller time frames. We are going to be expecting a nice bearish candle like this. This is going to be your entry somewhere around here. You put the stop loss just above the level like that, and of course target daily low. So this is a very nice 1 to 3 scenario. It's not going to be exactly like this, so you can play with your imagination a little bit on that. For GBP CAD, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I know that it looks bullish, but this is everything but bullish scenario out here. This is a very big doji candle, especially on the weekly. You can expect how influential that can be for the upcoming week. On the daily though, on the daily, we are not looking quite as nice. So best case scenario, we get a boost to the upside because of this neckline right here. We break above, consolidate for a little bit, and let's say on Thursday we get the break, then we get the retest on the lower time frames and target, of course, these daily lows right here. So the trade is going to be looking something like this. That's another 1 to 4 on GBP CAD. AUD CAD pretty much consolidating. Now that I'm seeing it for the second time, I really don't think this is a good opportunity for the upcoming week, so I will leave it outside like this. EURUSD, just beautiful all in all. Just look at it. We get this bearish momentum from here, and I think it's going to be a very big downfall from here. This is the area that we are going to be looking. Be patient with this trade. I'm pretty sure the charts are showing that he's going to continue to the downside. We have a very nice momentum. We've already had this boost from that was early March. I know that it's a very long time, but still we got these pushes out here and it's been consolidating for a very long time. So the market has to correct itself. And what better moment for it to correct itself than the last month of the year? I truly believe that we are going to be seeing at the end of December numbers like 1.12, 1.11. So yeah, we have to be patient for this trade. Wait for rejections from this level, wait for rejection from this level before we move to the downside. Just be patient. This is very, very nice opportunity for you to take either a swing trade from where we're at right now, put it just above this level and expect for it to hit until the end of December, something like this. Very optimistic trade. But what better thing to do than try to get as many as possible? For example, from here to here, and then another one from here to here. Let me just move it again. I know that it sounds a little bit that you're trying to squeeze the market out, but I think this is the best case scenario. I really think that EURUSD is going to have many opportunities during December. That's why this is the approach that I would take rather than the big swing trade. Or maybe I will do both, I still don't know yet. GBPUSD is, I think, the better option compared to EURUSD. I know that they might look very similar. However, GBPUSD is the better technical trade, let's say. And I think it's much more simple. We have this clear bearish trend out here. Everything in between you have to expect it, like these here, just market structure. So all in all, technical analysis is better. For this week, perfect case scenario, we move a little bit to the upside, start consolidating like this, and then we break under this neckline, retest and get the sale. And this is how it would look. Perfect trade. That's exactly how I'm going to take it. I'm going to be waiting for these rejection. There is no way I would enter the trade without the confirmation of breaking under the structure, retesting it, and then a double confirmation on lower time frames. And last but not least, we've got this crypto trade. So we have been seeing that crypto has been on a downward spiral from a very long time. This week we have moved a little bit to the upside on XRP. However, we are seeing also a very nice consolidation. We have moved upside on Monday and we have been consolidating ever since. There has been nothing that says that crypto is bullish right now. So at least, especially for the beginning of the month, I am expecting a wick to the downside. I truly think there is not that many technical things when it comes to crypto, but there must be a wick to the downside as every other candle here. So tomorrow there is going to be a new candle which opens for every week, and look at it, every candle out here has a wick. So that means that we need to create that wick to the downside before we actually consider moving to the upside. So for this week, what I would expect is for price to hit the same 185, 190 or 195, which is still pretty big amount from where we are right now. I truly believe that this trading opportunity would look exactly like this. We are here. You can easily place your stop loss at around 10 ticks from here or 12 ticks, however you feel more comfortable with. And this is the trade that I'll be looking for the upcoming week. Thank you guys for watching. I will keep you guys updated, and whatever happens from this week, at the end of the week, I'll do trade recaps and I'll do profit and loss for the whole week. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.